The Rat Blocker TX11 stops the rats before doing any damage. TX11 is a high-quality Danish product, with all parts being produced in acid-resistant stainless steel AISI 316. Also, to avoid any clogging and loss of flow in the sewer, the TX11 is open at the bottom. TX11 has a unique flap system, which is reversible, so the rat blocker can be installed in both the inlet and outlet side of the well. The rat blocker is VA approved at a Technological Institute in Denmark for dimensions up to 250 mm. The product range at Nordisk Innovation consists of 36 different dimensions of the TX11, from 82 to 350 mm. Nordisk Innovation has continuously developed the rat blocker alongside Danish sewer experts since 2006, so it is very efficient, has great operational security, and an extra long lifespan. The TX11 is the best rat blocker in the market, based on many years of practical experience. The factory in Denmark pays attention to every detail, ensuring quality production. Before installing the rat blocker, every part is pickled to give optimal protection against corrosion. TX11, a safe choice.